We're at Xeikon's Global Innovation Center, and I have the ability and the great pleasure to talk to Tom from Abbey Labels.
Hello, hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
Thank you for talking to us, and welcome on INKISH.
Yes, great.
So, yeah, give us a bit what you do at Abbey Labels, and especially also address if you're doing and how you do the digital printing, right?
Yeah, well, Abbey Labels, I'm the chairman and owner of Abbey Labels. We are in the cosmetics, food and drink and chemical industry. We also supply to the trade and direct to the client. We have been involved with digital printing for over, well, now 10 years. We also have it complement our UV Flexo presses, and it gives our clients great choice. And we find that the Xeikon is it's the most environmentally friendly and great for food. And the products are the same. Whatever technology we use, with the Flexo or the dry toner, we find that the labels, we've made them look the same, which our clients really love. They love
right.
it.
I think that's one of the major important things that brand owners are looking for. That if you run something on analog machinery, that you kind of have the same quality in digital. So how are you using that in your facility, and on what products is it?
Well, what we do, especially with retail, they obviously want their labels to look the same, every copy to look the same. The Xeikon does this for us. It's constantly monitoring the colours, and it's constantly reporting to you with the quality. I've never had a problem with the quality of the Xeikon. And we also do the same on our Flexo presses. So brand owners know that the label from number one to the final one will look the same, and it'll be of the high quality that they want.
Right. So also something that I'm interested in is the shift that everybody's talking about from the offset or the Flexo machines, that's shifting more and more to digital. How is it in your operation?
We have found that both over the last 10 years, our company has doubled in size. Both departments have actually grown at the same level. What we have found is that we've had clients who were with us on the Flexo have had some of their work, some of their short run work go to the digital Xeikons, but we've also had the Xeikon work go also across to the Flexo. And as I say, it's all about complementing the technologies. We are finding that on the digital side, clients are requiring more embellishments on their labels, especially in the food and drinks. They want their labels to stand out. So we offer foiling, we offer embossing, we offer special laminations, and we offer special varnishes as well. And the clients want their labels to look vibrant, they want them to look different, and digital printing gives you that choice with a low cost base as well.
Embellishment is one of the hot topics that everyone's talking about. So, and you as a big user of Xeikon machinery. So how are you using this or putting this into practice?
We're finding our clients who have hot foil and the embossing, they also want further embellishment. That further embellishment for us at Abbey Labels, we're investing into screen printing. That will highlight the label more, it gives the clients more choice. We also offer screen printing on the Flexo, so again we're using the two technologies to complement each other. The client can have a longer run, or they can go for a multi-sort shorter run.
Right, so as I heard also here today, they introduced like new metal toners, like gold, silver. Is that something that you're looking into?
That's something we are looking at, because it also will save the client's costs. At the moment, if you want a silver or gold, you can either print on a silver or gold material, or you can foil. Using this new toner, you can take that cost out, and it becomes one process rather than having to put it on another machine. You can basically print a label, varnish it, cut it. It's done. It hasn't got to go off to be having the foiling or going on the silver material, which helps with the client, cost for the client.
Right. Well, you at Abbey Labels as a big label producer, I mean, in converting, is that also a field that you are heavily invested in? Like label converting, that is?
Yeah, as in the finishing process of cutting. Yes, we have. We've got another investment plan which comes into fruition in November. We've got further die cutting and finishing to add, because the business is still growing. The market for labels is growing still at a very healthy rate.
Right, and then you go reel to reel, or and then you use the same reels from other equipment and combine them with the Xeikon reels as well?
Yeah, exactly. What we can do is our presses, the Flexo presses will run reel to reel, so will the Xeikon presses. The Flexo presses will also run reel to sheet, and they'll also run reel to fan fold. But the reel to reel, we quite often have jobs where we need the flexo technology maybe to do some specialist die cutting, such as back cutting. We then take that reel from the flexo press and put it on the Xeikon, and the Xeikon will do the modulus numbering, it will do the QR coding, and then from there it will then go onto our Abbey graphic machinery for putting onto the smaller reels. Right. So yeah, we use both of the machinery quite often.
Right. So maybe the last question here, it came up numerous times here during these days, sustainability.
Yeah.
How do you take this on?
The sustainability with the Xeikon presses, especially with the toner, as I said before, it's very environmentally friendly, it's very food friendly. So when the client, such as on a PP, they want to be able to recycle, if it's on a PP bottle, that can all go in the same recycling bin. And also with the Xeikon, you're using less power, you're using less material, you're using a kind toner rather than an ink, and that's all better for the environment.
Well, fantastic. Well, thank you, and best of luck to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nice to
Speak to you soon.
Cheers.